Did you know that petting a dog can lower your stress levels faster than popping a pill? Recent studies reveal that the simple act of spending just 10 minutes with a dog can significantly reduce cortisol levels in the body, the hormone primarily responsible for stress. Unlike medication, which often comes with a slew of side effects, dogs offer a natural and immediate calming effect through their presence and unconditional love. What's more, the tactile connection when you pet a dog releases oxytocin in your brain, commonly known as the love hormone, which enhances your mood and strengthens your bond with the furry friend. This simple interaction can create a ripple effect of well-being, improving not just your mental health, but also your physical health by lowering blood pressure and boosting your immune system. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, consider the powerful, yet often underestimated, impact of spending quality time with a dog. It might just be the best therapy you never knew you needed.